Hello guys, welcome to Shopify theme development course. To start the Shopify theme development, we need to have the Shopify partners account. So we can see this is the home page of Shopify and this is intended for the merchants. So we will not be logging in from here. Instead, we will go to shopify.com/partners and from here we can create our partners account. So you can join or log in if you already have a partner account. I have logged into the partners account. So the main benefit of the Shopify partners account is that we can create as many development stores as we want without any trial period. So let's create our first development store, and we can also create the stores for our clients, and we can also create the store for the test and build purpose. So if we create the store for our client and later on we transfer the ownership, so we'll be earning the commission on every payment made by the client. So now we are learning now we are creating the store for the test and build purpose and learning purpose. So we'll be selecting the second option. Here we can give the store name any unique store name. So I will be giving, so I have given the name a unique name for our store. So you can give the name according to yourself, and which build you want to test. So we will select the latest build and data and configuration. We can start our store with the test data. So let's create a development store.